Okay, in this video, I am going to demonstrate to you how to do a task 1 project. I believe you must have downloaded the write-up. You have go through the write-up, understand the tables, and also are clear what the tasks required. So for this demo, I will do task 1. Task 1 here, I basically break down them into 11 smaller steps, and now we will start doing a step 1. Say open a new Excel workbook, name it as my name project 1, my name sheet 1 as a car sale. So okay, what I'll do is come here, I open up an Excel workbook. Alright, I will select the empty, and then here I will go to save file, save as. Alright, so the first thing save as is I choose my folder. So click browse, and I want to put it in my desktop. Alright, so desktop, record it. Project 1. Okay, then we'll change this sheet 1 and call it classes. Alright, so that's step 8. Step here say copy the whole table in appendix 1 and paste it using the match destination formatting option starting from cell A3 in classes and auto-fit all the columns. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the write-up, scroll down until I reach classes appendix 1. I'm going to copy all this. Okay, copy, and then I go to my Excel workbook. Classes start from A3. Why A3 is because I want to leave a row 1 for you to add the company name. Row 2 you can add the title for this worksheet. So for A3, the base you choose the second. So don't choose the first one, choose the second one. Choose the second one, and then you can go and auto fit the columns. Okay, so we finish B. So next one is say add the full 8 extra columns of the account model. Okay, of the account model we're going to add the column for markup. Then we have car cost, then we have COE, we have gross price, we have discount, we have sales price, we have GST, and we have invoice amount. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to make all this bigger. Alright, so we have finished step C. Then step D is saying workbook add and the worksheet and call it lookup data. So you click on this one and change this name to lookup data. Now in this lookup data, what we'll do is we're going to copy the tables from the project write-up and paste it here so that we can use it as the lookup data for the classes and the other worksheet that we're going to do in task 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so we finish that. Then we go to step E, say copy table 1 and paste it at cell A1 in lookup data tab and auto fit column. Select A2, D9, and in the new box use a name called card details. Okay, so what we do is we go back to the write-up again, and we have to go all the way up to the top to copy table 1. This is table 1. You copy all this. Copy, and then we get to our lookup data. We start here. Okay, paste, second option. Alright, all this paste, then we can auto fit. Then you select all of this. E2 to D9 and come to the name box here, keying the name card details. Okay, we are giving a name. Why? Because when you do your things like your COE or markup your price, you will come here to pick up the data. So for instance, for COE, we have to make use this is column 2. For cost, we make use column 3, and for markup, we make use of column 4. All right. So we finish that, and then we can go back to the cost sales, and then find out what is the markup for this total of this. So this one you can go to formulas, go to lookup reference and select VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, and what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is the car model, total of this one here, E4. Table array is in the car details, so you can press F3 and copy. Now this is to make sure that you don't make any typing mistake or just select from here. Column here, okay, for your markup, you can see that for markup it's column 4, so we 4. Lookup range, okay, the car details, the model name are not sorted, so it's not a range, so we will say false, FALSE, okay. So you do that, it tells the markup is 100%, we say okay. Alright, then you can copy to the rest to make sure that the markup is actually correct for all the models. Alright, so this is markup. Now car call, same thing. You go to recently used, select VLOOKUP. Lookup value again is your car model data of this. Your table array, press function key F3, choose car details. Okay, here now your column index for your this car cost. Car cost is column 3, so we have to say 3 and then false again, FALSE. Right? So this is the car cost for delta of T45 and copy to the rest. Okay. Now the next one, COE. COE is column 2, so the index number is 2. So same thing, because COE come to here. Then you go to recently used, you say VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup value is your total of this. Okay, table array, car details. Press F3, get this, and select car details. Okay, your column index now you're looking at column 2, and again lookup range is false, FALSE. Alright, so the COE is $30,012. So we say okay, click okay, and then I can copy this to the rest. Alright, so we have used VLOOKUP to find the markup, the car cost, the COE, and now we go to the gross price. Gross price here, we look at the back, it says car cost times markup divided 100 plus COE. So you come here, you say equal to, okay, formula always the equal sign. Equal to your car cost here, multiply by your markup. Why we divide by 100 is because the markup is expressed as a percentage. So we have to say divide by 100, then you plus your COE. Okay, so you do that, you get a gross price of 88,000. Then you same thing, you can copy all the rest to the rest. Okay, and now we can do a discount. Discount is basically we have to use the if statement to test whether the gross price is greater or equal to 120,000. Yes, we give to 5% discount, else 0, no discount. So here you put your cursor at J4, go to your formula under the logical. Logical, you choose if, okay, logical, if, and then here test is want to test whether your gross price is greater or equal to 120,000. Okay, value true. Okay, true, that means if it's greater than 120,000, make sure it correctly, 120,000, then we will say it is your gross price multiplied by 2.5%. Okay, make sure that you have a percentage sign T, if not 0. For this total LTs, no discount. Why? Because the gross value is less than 100,000. So say okay. Alright, same thing. You can copy to the rest to make sure that the formula works for the other as well. So you find that those cars like this one, more than 120,000, if you have discount, same thing. Tells you discount. Okay, those is less, no discount. Now your sales price is very easy. Sales price is your gross price. This one is equal to your gross price minus your discount. Okay, this is your sales price. Now GST is equal to your sales price times 7%. So you have to put a percentage sign to make sure it's 7%. Okay, 7%. Then let's have it. Okay, this is sales price. I'm going to make this slightly smaller so that you can see. Okay, invoice amount is equal to your sales price plus your GST. So this is our invoice amount. Okay, now once you do that, you can copy this to the rest. So this is what we have. Alright, so we have finished up to step G. We have copied everything to the rest of the invoices. So now H is say use conditionally formatting to automatically highlight invoice amount above 150,000 in the color of your own choice. So what we do is go back to discuss this, select all the invoices, all the invoices, all the way down from your this M4 to M25. Alright, then you go to home, select condition formatting, and highlight cell rules, and click on this one, greater than, because we want to specify if the cell is more than 150,000. So here, instead of the default value, you change this to 150,000. Okay, 150,000. Okay, you can have a comma down there to make sure that it is 150,000. If 150,000, you can choose your color. Right now, it choose actually for us. Okay, in my case, I choose green. Right? So this is what I want. I say okay. So you find that any invoice that is above 100,000 will be highlighted in green. Now to make sure that it's okay, for instance, this one here, I can actually add change this to, let's say, 160,000. Now once I change this 160,000, you find that it is highlighted. Why? Because 160,000 is more than 150. Of course, this is not the correct amount, so I will click here to get back to the original. 94,707, and this no more highlighted. So this is not the same as coming here and choose a fill color. You choose a fill color, the value can change, but the fill color always stays there. So this is the advantage of using conditional formatting. Alright, so we can go to do this one. Okay, in row here you key in word total, TOTL, and then we're going to extend this all the way to here, and we're going to use merge and center. Okay, so merge center total, and then finish this with this one. Row 26 auto sum all this will auto sum. Right, car cost, gross price, discount, sales price, GST, and invoice price. So you go to home, this one here, select sum. Okay, sum, auto sum for us. Okay, so you get all this sum up. Alright, so I have finished basically all the requirements of task 1. The only thing that I didn't do is I did not have a title, I don't have a company name, and as you can see, there's a lot of nice formatting you can do to this worksheet. So I will end here. I will hope that you will take opportunity to do the things that are required, like for instance the company name, the title, and format all the individual cells nicely. Okay, that's all.